NASA's Perseverance rover captured video and audio of an electrical discharge, including tiny sonic booms inside dust devils swirling on the surface of Mars. According to the Mars team at NASA, the vision was captured near the rim of Jezero Crater. The scientists reported that the rover's SuperCam microphone detected 55 electrical events, including 16 of these during dust devil crossings. In a statement, NASA's scientists said the discovery has implications for Martian atmospheric chemistry, climate, and habitability, and could help inform the design of future robotic and human missions to Mars.